Hey, what's up everybody, this is Vincent CTK. In today's video, I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison with the BlackShark 3 Pro and the Red Magic 5G. They both are the top of the line gaming phone and they do share a lot of things in common, like the Snapdragon X65, the LPDDR5 RAM, and the USF 3.0 storage. So I know a lot of you guys are struggling on which one you should get. Don't worry, I'm going to help you find out in this video, so stay tuned. Before I get started, just make sure you have hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Also follow me on Instagram so you won't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I would like to show you guys the total benchmark score of both phones. The scores are very close. The BlackShark 3 Pro does score a little bit better, but not by far. Both phones are not small at all. The BlackShark 3 Pro has a 7.1 inches display and the Red Magic 5G has a 6.65 inch display. But when you put them side by side, you will see the BlackShark 3 Pro is a absolutely beast. I don't have big hands, so I would much prefer the size of the Red Magic 5G. It's more comfortable to hold on to, either one hand or two. But if you have big hands, the BlackShark 3 Pro wouldn't be a problem for you. Also, you get to enjoy the extra screen realistic, which is always a good thing. They both have AMOLED display. The BlackShark 3 Pro does have a bigger screen and higher resolution up to 2K compared to the smaller Red Magic 5G only have 1080p, but when you compare them side by side, the Red Magic 5G does look better than the BlackShark 3 Pro. The screen are brighter, the color are much sharper and more vibrant. It is a very good 1080p panel. And not to mention, it is a 144Hz display compared to a 90Hz display. The Red Magic wins this for sure. Let's compare the speaker. They both have fun-firing stereo speaker. Audio quality is about the same, but Red Magic 5G is louder. Both phones offer extra shoulder buttons for gaming, which I think every gaming phone should have in these days, but the BlackShark 3 Pro has stepped up the game by putting a pop-up physical shoulder button. Popping up when you need it, hidden when you don't. That is something you won't get from other gaming phones. Last but not least, I will do a side-by-side battery drain test. The BlackShark 3 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery and the Red Magic 5G has a 4500 mAh battery. I will have both phones running a total benchmark test over and over again till they shut down completely. I think that will be a very interesting test. Let's get started. Alright, so the BlackShark 3 Pro shut down at 3 hours and 33 minutes, and the red magic is still going. Let's see what's the temperature of the BlackShark 3 Pro. And the red magic shut down at 3 hours and 43 minutes, which is 10 minutes more than the BlackShark 3 Pro. What a surprise. Let's see what's the temperature of the red magic 5G. So now come to the final question. Which one you should get? The Red Magic 5G is my recommendation because of the price and what it has to offer for $600. You are getting a flagship spec, top tier gaming phone. That is a very good deal. Unless you are really obsessed with those physical shoulder buttons, but that's an extra $200, which I think not so worth it. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, also follow me on my Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.